And it doesn't move. You see, you can just give it a little bit of time, but it doesn't move anywhere. Right, the palette I'm going to use is this one. It's a Via Let Fuss. It's a brand here in South Africa that we get this palette from. So the color that I'm going to use, I'm going to work with these colors, all of them here, and then this one as well. So I'm going to start. I think I'm going to go in with the light blue, and then I'm going to use the mirror. I hope you can see. I'm just going to put it in here. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. I'm just blending it all over. You see? Right, I went in and I blended that green. I don't know if it's green or if it's blue, but I went just and blended into my whole lid eye, and then I'm going to use this one. It's a blue, and I'm going to press it in there. Just underneath the green. And then I'm taking it down. Okay, and then I just put it there underneath that color, and then I'm just bringing it to this corner. Okay, and then I take a little bit again, and then I just pat it underneath my eye. I went and I brought that blue that I was using underneath my eye. Just gonna blend that. I'm just bringing it into the center of my eye. Maybe I must blend it in. I'm gonna take that light bluish color and I'm gonna put it all over the eyelid. Just want to get the brush that I need. I'm just taking off the excess, and then I'm just patting it. You see, it has a beautiful shine on it. I'm just patting it down. Alright, that's the eyeshadow look. Then I'm just going to take that blue eyeliner that I showed you, and I'm going to use that. Where's that thing of mine? I will look for it now. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to use this blue, and I'm going to try to do a liner with it. I hope you can see. And that's my eyeliner. That's the best I can do. You see, and it has a lot of pigment, and it is a nice color. Alright, so I'm going to do the other side, and then I'm going to do mascara, and then we will check out the whole look. Okay, then for eyeliner underneath, I'm going to use this pencil. The name is Health Glow eye pencil, and I bought it at Crazy Store. Can you believe it? And it was, I think it was 15 rand or something like that, but let's try. It's also a blue. I'm going to use Essence Lash Like a Boss. This one is waterproof, so it doesn't go onto my eyes when I use it. And I don't use eyelashes. Alright you guys, this is the makeup look that I did. I had lots of fun doing this. As you can see, the blue and the light blue, and that eyeliner. Gosh, that eyeliner is easy to use, and it doesn't smudge or anything. So yeah, let's see how long this lasts. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want to, and like my videos. I would appreciate that. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and see you again. Bye.